Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by detecting the problem drive and protecting data. Connect the USB, then identify the device in your OS. On Windows, use Disk Management or Disk Part. On Mac OS, use Disk Utility. On Linux, use LSBLK. Once identified, immediately back up any readable files to another drive or cloud. This avoids data loss if repairs overwrite data. Then unmount the partition so repair tools can access it without interference. This step prevents corruption while you run diagnostics and fixes. Next, attempt targeted repairs and safe recovery. On Windows, run chkdsk-x/f to fix Exfat errors. On Linux, run sudo fsck exfat or exfatsk on the device. If those fail, clone the drive with ddresq to a disk image to preserve the current state. Once cloned, run testdisk to restore lost partitions or photo-rec to extract files from the image. These tools work because you separate recovery from modification. Cloning gives you a fallback if further operations make things worse. Finally, decide whether to reformat or replace the drive. If you recovered files or backed up, reformat the USB as Exfat or choose NTFS/FAT32 based on device compatibility. Use the OS formatter or MKFS. Exfat. Once formatted, copy several files back and perform read/write tests to confirm stability. If problems persist, make sure to test another cable or USB port. Try the drive in a different enclosure and run the manufacturer's diagnostic utility. These steps help distinguish file system damage from hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.